Hello everyone, welcome back to Neotech Logic. Have you ever had an amazing idea but did not know how to code? Well, thanks to AI, create an mobile app has become much easier. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional mobile app design using Google Stitch without writing a single line of code. Well, go to the entire process step by step from writing a prompt to generate a customize your app design. So let's get started. First we will go to Google Stitch. First we will go to Google Stitch, and first we should know what is Google Stitch is. Google Stitch is an most powerful AI tool which has generated by Google. Before we begin, let's get understand what Google Stitch is. Google Stitch is an AI powered design tool that helps you to create a beautiful user interfaces from mobile apps and websites using simple text prompts. Instead of designing every screen manually, you describe your idea and the AI generates a complete design for you. This makes it a great tool for the students, designers, developers, and anyone who wants to quickly turn an idea into a visual prototype. Then go to ChatGPT. We should take prompt from the ChatGPT. The most important step is writing a clear prompt. For this tutorial, I am creating a fitness app. My prompt is create a modern mobile fitness app called BeFit AI in Google Stitch. Give me prompt. We should copy the prompt from the ChatGPT. Then go to Google Stitch. We should paste our prompt based on our needs. Then generate the design. Now it will generate the design. Within a short time, it will generate multiple pages with a modern design, icons, buttons, and navigations and layouts. This saves a huge amount of time compared to design everything manually. It is generating. Our app is ready, the fitness app. Let's view the app. Okay, now we will see. If you want to change anything, you don't have to start over. You can edit the prompt or customize the individual elements. For the example, you can change the colors, fonts, icons, images, but style, spacing, and layouts. This helps to create a design that matches your brand or project. Once you are happy with the design, prevents the app, then we will add a exist. We should select what are the screens we should want. I will select this. We should select some screen, then settings. So add screen, create with AI. If you want anything to add by using AI, we can add. Like I will add add an page by thanking them. Then it will add one page by thanking them by using AI. Then after completing your design, you can explore it or share it with your team developers, and can they use this design as a references when building the actual mobile application. This makes the collaborations much easier. And why should we use Google Stitch? Google Stitch offers several advantages like no code required, fast and easy UI generation, saves hours of designers time, great for the students and startups, prefer for creating prototypes before developing beginners. Great job, it is added. Now we will see our app. If you want to editing anything, we can edit here by adding AI. By manually also we can edit anything. We can edit anything by using this. Then after completing your design, if you're happy with your design, then you can share it. Copy link prototype, link copied, then go to new page and paste here. Our website was gone. Let's check our website. Mail. 25. Next. Wait, 64. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Neotechlogic and turn on the notifications bell so you can never miss the future's videos on AI tools, web developments and productivity. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.